how to add Snapchat filter on normal photo. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So after opening up Snapchat, beside the camera button right here is we have our gallery. So just simply click on gallery right here beside the camera button. So just click on that. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in your gallery. So in here, what you want to do is you just simply click on camera roll. And then from here, you'll get access to all of your photos. So just choose and find the photo that you want to use on adding a Snapchat filter to. So as an example, I'll just use this photo right here. And then after choosing your photo, just simply click on the arrow right here on the right side. And then as you can see at the bottom right here, we can use any filter that we want to use. So there are a lot of different kinds of filters right here that you can use. So feel free to choose on which kind of filter you want to use. So yeah, so as an example, I'll just use this filter right there. And then there you go. And then once you're done choosing your filter, just simply click on this chain icon or button right here on the bottom left corner. And then from here, just scroll to the right until you see download. So just click on download right there, and then your image will now be downloaded and saved in your gallery. So when I open up my gallery right here, so as you can see that the image that I have added a filter on is now here. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add Snapchat filter on normal photo.